Hello guys, it's me, Mr. Miko R10 and lalaro tayo ngayon ng The Radio Tower. This is a horror game, parang siren ata to. Made by Sagun Games.
Hey, Johnny! Sorry for the short notice, but we really need communication in that area restored as soon as possible.
Don't worry, boss. You're paying me triple the usual, so I'll be quick.
That's the spirit. Just remember, the tower is right on the edge of the evacuation zone, so lay low, right?
Okay, awan na lang. Alright. Uy, linig ko. Na-skip. Skip yung story. Okay, dito na tayo. Medyo potato ng ano ko guys. Pero sorry. Oh my god, ang potato ko nga. I need to lower the graphics. Medium. Pag potato kasi i-block lang eh. Oh my god, potato pa din. Pero okay na yun. Grab the tool to the nani. I click E. Need you. Copy and limit. Upper lifetime. The company. So, mga inahamag na dito yung mga ano. May wire. Pastiche. Kudalagoon. Aka tayo. Okay. E. Press E. Up. Eh? Tornilyo. Kailangan ko ng screw. I need screw. Is this a screw? Oh, screw. Okay. Okay na pumasok na. Okay. May pa-animation pa yung akyat, guys. So, yan. Tanggalin natin E. Grab the... Oh, okay. E. Tapos balik natin. Tapos tulak natin yan. Parang sa signal yan. Repet tayo. What's this? Okay. Ano hulog? Wait. Okay. How can I fix this? Oh. Dito. Tapos, ito. And ito. Okay, I need to close that. So, screw. Ibabaksa ko ba to? Yeah, no, I think no. Yung baksak yun. Signal yun, di ba? I need to fix this also. Baba tayo ante. Baba. Can I go down a little bit? What the frick? Okay, I got one. Ito. Yan. Ay. Takot ako pa kayo magulat sa akin. Tagal naman ito. Ang lakas na ng volume mo guys. Hindi na ako takot. Para pa nang gulat. Jumpscare talaga. Ba't may mga tornilyo dito? Hulog ko ba to? So weird. Okay. Ano yun? Ano yun? I'm seeing a guy na... Shit! No! Shit! Ay! Wow! Uy, akyat! Patay! Ang bagal ko! You died! Ulit, try again. Ang bagal ko, ano? Again, sa umpisa? Oh no, no, no. Ang bagal ko, men. Bagal ko yan. Okay, okay. Ay, bawal, bawal. Ah! Araw. Nakakagulat. Bagal ko. Ano pa? Ano ka pa? Okay, ikaw na lang. Akyat! 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 Oh my God! Sabay ko ba? Akyat! Sige! Sige! Sige, sige, akyat! Looks like I managed to escape. Ano na? Kaya pala nakikita ako. Holy shit. Kung gagawin ko man to na ano, na inahabol niya ako, patay na ako matik. Wait lang, di pa tapos. Excited yarn. Di ko sa makita Oh my god guys, nabal tayo ng karing-kaching. I'm getting used to it. Uy! Wala, paano ako makakit yan? Asar up. Okay. Ano ko, brado? So fuck. Very good, they're everywhere. Uy! It is down for. Tingnan niyo dyan eh. Yes! Oh. Restore. Ay, puta! Makasama guga. Yes. I did what I had to do. Parang na-jump scare ako. Alam mo, airplane. I see you all in your bastard. Bastard. Ooh, explosion! Hangin. Oh, parang anime 5. Let's go, guys. Thanks to the sacrifice of a brave guy na nag-aayos ng radio tower. Take care of the issue community. Just hearing the explosion. Exit to the main menu. So, kayo na guys gumawa nung isa. So, yun lang yung ito sa the radio guy. The radio tower pala. So, thank you for watching and moving on. Oh, hello guys, this is Mr. Miko Arten and nandito tayo ngayon ng the station. So, yun na. Tamang firing sa ano. Hi. My crouch. Okay, interact, get up his face. But my crouch. B. Grab object. Okay. Another typical Friday. I'm really looking forward to that race. Ay, bitin ba ako? Maybe I'll be able to buy a car. The heck? Space? In a few years, space. No space sabi dun ah. Whatever, now I have to wait the subway. Waiting. Where are you, boy? Hey kid, can you help me press Y for yes or no for no? Okay, I'm sure. Yari. Ay, nabuo. Oh, just yes, yeah. What do you need? Okay, thanks. Take this key and open the main maintenance room. There should be a screwdriver. Hand it to me. Aight, bro. Aight. Damn, this is a base. Press to move object. What the fuck, man? What the fuck, man? Anong kukunin ko? What the barrel? Paano pinapakuha sa screwdriver? Oh my god, ito. Hey, ito bro. Thanks. Okay, no problem. Take care. Okay, nakatulong tayo. May kailangan malinisin niya. Bug. Ano namatay? Eh, okay. Waiting pa sa tayo sa bus station. Ay, brother. Yari, si Versan. Should I tickle him? Yeah. Hey, man, are you okay? I'm having a really tough time recently. Why? It's been the worst week of my life. My wife left me. I got fired from my job, and the worst of all, this train is taking ages. Ito nga eh. Though you are really having a bad time. Yeah. Hey, you are the only one who I speak to in 3 days. I feel better now. Thanks. Yeah. For you, bro, I got you. Are you sure I can? Yes, you will receive good karma, I promise. Oh? Alright, man. Take care. Okay. Ito na. What? My feet are killing me. I should find a seat. Seat? Is this not a seat? Seat. Kasarap si Lolo. So tired. Nagulat ako. Nagulat ako. What the fuck happened here? Nagulat ako, man. What the fuck? Hey. May ano ba? Parang ang labo. Nagulat ako, man. Oh my god. Tumalon yung heart ko. Book. Ano gagawin ko? It's okay. Administrator, you can go. Thanks. Oh? Relief. Ah! Putik! Nagulat ako. Try ka pa hanapin yung isang ending, guys. Nagulat ako doon. Shit! Nagulat ako. Pagtayo lang eh, tapos bigla nag-screen. Saan talaga eh. Dapat mga happy song talaga para di ka magulat eh. Gawa natin ng first ending. Kailangan ka natin. Huwag natin kausapin yung guy. But can we talk to other guys? May... Okay. Should I fix this? May ibang guy ba dito na mapag-uusapan? Paano kung hindi ko makausapin yung guy? Excuse me, do you know if the train is coming? It's 20:06, so it shouldn't take more than 3 minutes. Thanks. No worries. Yeah, they really love each other. Yeah. Hello. I didn't want to buy anyways. Oh. Try ko hindi kausapin yung guy. So, parang mag-wait lang ako. What's this? May escape ba dun? Baka puro dito lang sa guy. Ayaw ko siya tulungan, men. Pero baka di pumunta yung ano eh. May kailangan pa ba ako ibang kausapin? Should I leave? Can I leave? Can I... Ano meron dito? Space, crouch. I think hindi pupunta yan, Trent. Pero try ko lang. If wala talaga ako yun lang. It's up to you guys. Para maano nyo. Ay! Oh my God! Nag-disagree ako dito! No! 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 The train is coming. Tapos, kausapin ko to. Kausapin ko to. Uy! Duro-diretso! No! 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 Ayun! Ha? Gogoy! Nagpakamatay! Nagpakamatay! Nagpakamatay yan! Yeah! Oh my God! Ba't siya tumalun? Ba't kinuha siya eh? Para di siya mahulog. So, yun lang guys. It's just a very, very, very short the station game. So, meron pang 2 endings na hindi na ano. If you want to play this, I got the link below in the comment section. And di pala sa ano ko pala. Yeah. Sa abangan ng vid. And I love the game. Nagugulat din lang talaga ako. Sobrang nagulat ako dun sa part. Ano, low volume. Ano ba dito? Grabe pala pag low, man. Pero mas mailaw. Tapos mas detail kasi pag ano. So yun guys, and we're moving on. So hello guys. Yeah, Mr. Mr. Miko are here. May mga laro tayo ngayon na The Bathroom Dilemma. So this is a horror game. And download ko yung trailer niya. It's about white ladies shit. Ayan siya. Narin natin siya. Oh my God! Para magkakash yung game. Man. The game is too good, but I cannot play it. Gundo? Medyo may jabs lang ako. May jabs lang ako. Should I flash? Grabbing lang yan. Mukha ng toilet paper! Uy. Lag talaga men, di kaya.
Just do it!
Ayan. Do I need to click anything? Hello?
Oh, hell no!
Maganda yung pinto. May tao! Tumatai! Respito nga ni. Tumatai ako eh. Parang sabog yung game ko ah. Ano? Basa ka ba? Basa ka ba? Hello, hello, hello? Hello, this just gives creepy vibes and kinakaya naman kahit sobrang bigat talaga ng game. My God. Uy. Uy! Hello? 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 Nandiyan ka na mo. Pumasok ka na mo. Hindi kita nakita. Tawin ako doon. Doon. Ano yun? Joe! Shit! Sino ka? Hindi ako tumingin sa'yo. Hindi ako tumingin sa'yo. Ay! Do, kinabahan yung itlog. Hello? Saan na siya? Grabing game yarn, man! Let's go, pilitin natin kasi ito lang meron tayo. Okay, kinabahan tayo. Huminga tayo ng napakalalim. Dino-document eh, no? Hindi naman siya ng gulat, pero pag ako nagulat, gagano, wow! Ah, advance lang, advance. Oh, shit! Uy! Ano nabuang? Wala ka! Oh my god, shit! 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 Oh, shit! Eh! Hello? Shit! Ba't nagbubukas-bukas? Shit, ano naririnig ko? Shit! Parang natatakot na tuloy tumayo sa gabi. Hello? Ano yun? Parang may nag-uugas sa mukha. Hello? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. So many blood. So many blood. Oh my god, bro. My heart is so fast.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Ayun. Natasha? Nalaglag lang ako. Hello? Shit. Oh shit, parang sa akin. What do you want? What do you want? Parang 50-50 yung laro ko ah. Ano naman? Uy! Thank you! Ganun ba ito naman? Thank you. Yay! Thank you sa toilet paper, ma'am. The best ka talaga. Kahit nakakatakot ka, you're the great. Oh my god, hindi ko yun i-expect yun, man. Hindi ko ng toilet paper. Ano yung nag-rage mode lang sa, ano, sa CR? Tapos na? Oo, tapos na. What an ending, bro. Bibigyan ka ng toilet paper. Ang ganda sana kasi hindi talaga kaya guys eh. Tsaka parang di siya nagsisave. Kahit i-low ko. Tapos kahit binabaan ko na yung graphics. Think yeah. Sobrang high kasi ng game. But if you have a nice PC or a nice laptop, you should try this. Baka mas maganda sa inyo. Sobrang lagi sa akin. But I keep this and I need to hard work on myself and hard work din sa sarili nyo. Nothing is possible. And keep it safe, guys. That's all my sa aking first Steve Carey games, and thank you for watching. Uh, I have I have so much fun on this, and I hope you too. And bye bye.